We walk to a rustic Farinha house where the owners, Roberto and Maria, have gathered for communal farinha processing. This gathering, known as a farinhada, will produce enough manioc flour to sustain their small neighborhood for the next several weeks. Having harvested the manioc roots early that morning, 2 members of the group work in tandem to peel the tough skin with sharp knives. This is the first in a series of 6 steps required to eliminate the poisonous toxins from the manioc. The white tubers are then taken to the electric grinding wheel, where Maria attentively feeds 2 or more peeled roots into the loud, spinning wheel. The wet, grated manioc falls into a wooden trough called a mikaba. This toxic mush is then scooped into a bowl and transferred to a large wooden press lined with porous mesh sacks. Heavy pieces of wood are placed on top of the grated manioc. Roberto turns the large wooden crank, applying pressure to the weights, squeezing the poisonous liquid from the meaty flesh of the cassava. Once the pressed mixture releases its creamy yellow liquid, the weights are lifted and the meal is transferred to the sifting area. Roberto passes the cleaned meal through a wooden basket. Still slightly damp, the sifted meal must now be toasted, so it is transferred to the surface of a wood-fired clay oven. Using a skinny wooden rake, a woman stirs the manioc flour constantly to ensure even toasting. Once the farinha is dry and fragrant, the laborious process is complete. In keeping with local custom, Maria and her neighbors prepare tapioca crepes, known as beijos, to celebrate the bounty of the farinhada.